A freelancer sent me his Upwork profile last week. 847 proposals sent, 0 contracts. I looked at it for 2 minutes and I found 2 separate problems. The first one was stopping him from ever appearing in search, and the second one was making sure that even when he did, clients clicked straight off. He'd spent 6 months fixing the wrong one. So guys, here's what the Upwork guru profile optimization guys get wrong. They split it in 2. The SEO people tell you to stuff your title with keywords, fill every skill slot, chase the algorithm. But the copywriting people, they tell you to ignore all of that. Just write like a human and the right clients will find you. Both camps are half right and both will get you stuck, because Upwork's search rankings and your profile's conversion rate are 2 completely different problems. If you fix one without the other, you're either invisible or you're attracting the wrong people. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix both of these things in the right order. For all of you guys who are new here, quick context, I'm Michael Elliott, over $500,000 earned on the Upwork platform, top 1%, expert vetted, and interestingly and uniquely, I've been on the platform as a freelancer and as an individual client reviewing freelancers for my own projects. And that gives me an interesting advantage because I've seen it from both sides of the coin. I've been a client and a freelancer. Upwork has a search algorithm. It uses specific signals to decide who appears at the top of client searches. Most freelancers either ignore this completely or they obsess over it to the exclusion of everything else. So if that's the case, what signals actually matter? So the first thing on this list has to be your title. This is your primary keyword field. It needs to match what clients are searching for, what they're actually searching for, not what sounds impressive, not loads of adjectives, what clients actually type. This is your biggest opportunity to tell the Upwork platform who you are and what service you offer. Then you have skills. Upwork scans these and uses them to match for relevant jobs depending on what the user's looking for. Fill every slot. You get 20 of them. Be specific, not generic. Then we have profile completeness, and this one's cheeky because Upwork scores this internally. Incomplete profiles get suppressed. Simple as that. Any opportunity to optimize your profile should be taken. The next one is your JSS, the job success score. Once you have contracts on Upwork, this controls your visibility more than anything else. And rising talent or top rated badges aren't just cosmetic. They directly affect where you appear in search because Upwork trusts you. Then there are the signals that most freelancers miss entirely. Testimonials, not Upwork reviews, external testimonials from previous clients. You can get them from LinkedIn. They can leave skill specific testimonials on your profile without even having hired you through the platform. Most freelancers don't know this feature exists, but it's been around for years. They add credibility before a single review is in place. And Upwork factors profile engagement into its ranking signals. And guys, one more, your availability badge. If you've marked yourself as unavailable and forgotten about it, Upwork is actively suppressing your profile from search right now. Go and check it today, because if you get the ranking layer right, clients will find you. But here's where most profiles fall apart, because being found is only half the problem. So we've taken care of all of those things, and a client finds you through search. They click on your profile. You now have about 8 seconds. That freelancer I mentioned, 847 proposals, 0 contracts, his ranking signals were actually decent. He was appearing in search, but his overview started with this: I am a passionate and dedicated professional with over 5 years experience in digital marketing. Gone. Clients close the tab, because that sentence answers none of the questions a serious client is asking. It doesn't tell them what you specialize in. It doesn't grip them. It doesn't tell them who you help. It doesn't tell them what result they'll get. It just tells them that you exist. And the platform is full of people who just exist. Your overview is not a CV. It's a sales page. And the structure that converts looks nothing like what most freelancers write. Paragraph 1, lead with the client's problem, not your background. Speak directly to the person reading. If you're running Google Ads and your cost per lead is climbing while your conversion rate sits at 3%, this is what I fix. Boom. I've caught their attention. 1 sentence, 2 sentences. They're either leaning in or they're not. Paragraph 2, your process. Specific enough to feel real? Not I provide end-to-end solutions, for example, but tell them what you actually do and in what order. Paragraph 3, 1 result, 1 number. 1 line that tells them what to do next. That's it. No certification list. No list of tools that you use. No, I am committed to excellence and I'm better than all the other freelancers, because you're probably not, because neither am I. 3 paragraphs. Client, problem, process, result. The freelancer that I rewrote this for, they went went from 2 invites in a month to 22 invites the following month. Same portfolio, same reviews, same rate, just a different overview. Guys, come close because we don't let fear stop us making money now, do we? Open your Upwork profile right now. Read your overview first sentence out loud. Does it start with I? Does it mention you before it mentions the client? If it does, drop a 1 in the comments. And drop a 0 if your first sentence leads with the client's problem. Let's see the balance and let's help each other address it. So guys, I hope that you've understood today that Upwork profile optimization isn't one thing, it is two. You get found and then you convert. Most freelancers fix one and wonder why the other one isn't working. Get your ranking signals right, title, skills, completeness, testimonials, rewrite your overview around the client's problems, not your credentials, set a rate that reflects your expertise, not anxiety. You are not competing for the cheapest jobs on the platform. Forget about it. You are a specialist with proof behind you. Start presenting it like one. So guys, now you've engaged, most freelancers set their rate by looking at what everyone else charges and then probably going slightly lower. Do you see the issue there? They think cheaper means more clients, but it doesn't. It means worse clients. When I started on Upwork, I charged like $15 an hour. I attracted clients who questioned every single hour of payment, wanted endless revisions and treated me like a cost to be minimized. I raised my rate to $100, $150. The quality of client conversation changed overnight. And here's why. Low rates attract clients making a cheap decision. They're evaluating price, not expertise. High rates attract clients making a risk decision. Those clients read your profile properly. They care about the process and the outcome. They ask better questions. They're generally better projects and they become long-term partners and retainers. The market for the cheapest freelancers on Upwork is enormous. It's also brutal. Race to the bottom. You will burn out within 6 months, I guarantee you. The market for the most credible specialist at a premium rate is much smaller, but it's sustainable. And the profile that we've just built, accurate ranking signals, client first overview, relevant social proof, that profile supports a premium rate. A $25 profile and a $150 profile are not the same document. Every element either justifies your rate or undermines it. Guys, if you're new here, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. It means more than you know. Hit like, drop a comment. If you enjoyed this video, you're going to love this one here. It's all about Upwork proposals and it's the next step in order to scale your Upwork profile. I'm an Upwork advocate. I love the platform. I think it's amazing. I'll catch you in the next one.